Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and download a transparent background for a photo. So this is very simple and very convenient. This is a great pro feature. It's only for pro users, and yeah, I'll show you how to do this very quickly. So all you got to do is click on a photo that you want. You could either do this, or you can even go man angry, and then you can go here and go photos, and you can go here and go pro, and here. So let me just remove this background really quick. So this is another feature that you can use. So once this is removed, I'll show you very quickly. So you can just go like this, go like that, do that, and I'm just going to add some shadows to it. And now I go, why crying? I don't know, just get something out. Go like this, go edit image, background remover. And I'll remove this as well. So now I could do that and do the same thing here. Go apply and put a shadow behind it, glow it. And then I glow it now. And there you go. So how do I download this as a transparent background? So I just want these photos to be pretty much a transparent background. So all you got to do is go to share and go download, and all you got to do is tick transparent background. And now I just got to wait for this to load. Sometimes it doesn't load. All you got to do is click on this again and it should load again. So just go download and click transparent background, and see, now I can download that. So you click download. And there you have it. There is a transparent background. So there you have it. I have made a transparent background in Canva with the Pro feature. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.